In this video, I'll show you how to rename a contact in MailChimp quickly and correctly. Whether you need to fix a spelling mistake, update a customer name, or keep your audience list organized, this simple process only takes a minute once you know where to click. And if you want more quick tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Once the site loads, sign in using your account credentials. If you manage more than one account or workspace, make sure you're logged into the correct one before continuing, because the changes you make will apply to that audience. After you're signed in, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Audience. This is the section where MailChimp stores and manages all of your contacts. From here, you can view your audience list, search for subscribers, and update their contact details whenever needed. Now, you need to find the contact you want to rename. You can scroll through the contact list manually if you only have a few entries, or you can use the search bar to make it faster. Search by the contact's name or email address, whichever is easier. This is especially helpful if your audience list is large and you want to go directly to one specific person. Once you locate the right contact, click their name or email address to open their profile. This brings up the full contact record, where you can see the details MailChimp has saved for that person. Inside the profile, look for the contact information section. This is where the editable fields for that contact are stored. Next, click Edit so you can change the information. When the fields open, find the first name and last name boxes, update them with the correct spelling or the new name you want to use. If the contact's name has changed, this is where you can make sure MailChimp reflects the most current information. Taking a moment to enter the correct name matters because it helps with personalization in your email campaigns and keeps your audience data clean and organized. Before you save anything, pause for a second and review the changes carefully. Check the first name, last name, and any other details you may have adjusted to make sure everything looks accurate. A small typo here can affect how your emails appear later, so it's always worth double-checking before moving on. When you're happy with the update, click Save Changes. MailChimp will immediately update the contact's information in your audience list. You'll now see the renamed contact reflected in the profile and in your audience management area. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a contact in MailChimp. This is a simple but useful skill for keeping your audience clean, accurate, and easy to manage. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials, and share this guide with anyone who uses MailChimp and wants to stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.